Now let's talk about when you do not need to do procedure turns or simply are not allowed to do one. First, let's take a look at the plan view for the ILS or Localizer 1-8 approach into Lincoln. And let's take a look at Husker intersection. You may be asked, what should you do if you're over Husker and cleared for the Localizer runway 1-8 approach? So you will want to know how to fly the approach from Husker, which is an initial approach fix. In other words, are you going to have to do that teardrop course reversal or not? If you take a look to the right of Husker intersection, you'll find the information about how you would fly the route. You are told to fly 3,200 feet with no PT, no procedure turn to Isaco intersection. Again, no PT means no procedure turn. And they also give you your heading and your distance to the next fix that you fly to. So you fly from Husker on a course of 199 degrees for 0.2 nautical miles. That's to intercept the localizer. Then you fly a course of 174 degrees for 5.5 miles to Isaco intersection. And you do not fly any kind of course reversal. You don't need a course reversal because you're already mostly lined up on that localizer. All right, now let's take a look at another approach. This is the ILS or Localizer runway 32 approach into Dothan, Alabama. Suppose you're flying northwest bound over the Uvalde intersection and you're cleared for the straight-in localizer approach. How should you begin the approach? Well, when ATC clears you for a straight-in approach, this means you are not authorized to make a course reversal. If you wanted a course reversal for some reason, you have to request an amended clearance. In this case, though, even if ATC did not say straight-in approach, you're not allowed to execute a course reversal because on this approach, there's no depiction of a course reversal anywhere. There's no procedure turn symbol, no holding pattern, no teardrop shape. So you would not get cleared for a course reversal even if you ask. The published route from Uvalde is 2,600 feet via a heading of 273 degrees to intercept the localizer, then join the localizer and fly for 5.9 nautical miles to Cabda intersection, which is labeled IF for intermediate fix. Then continue tracking the localizer and comply with the step-down fix altitudes on the final approach segment. And the route does not say no PT because it doesn't need to, since there is no course reversal shown anywhere on that plan view. So from the Uvalde initial approach fix, you do not fly a course reversal because ATC cleared you for a straight-in approach and because you can't find a course reversal anywhere on that chart, no matter how hard you look. And that makes sense because if you're already mostly lined up with the runway, it just wouldn't make sense to do a procedure turn.